Hi, I'm Sarah, and I want to talk to you about three of my favorite things on the 3D Experience platform. First of all, the application I have open here is xShape. This is my favorite application on the platform. It comes inside of the 3D Sculptor role, and it is a subdivision modeling app that is fully cloud-based. So it runs inside the browser, and you'll notice I have these points and edges and faces all along the body of this watering can. And what makes xShape so different from a parametric modeler like SolidWorks is that we're kind of directly editing the geometry by manipulating it by pushing, pulling, rotating, scaling, and rather than kind of making traditional sketches and features, we are directly editing the geometry kind of in a workflow that is more similar to modeling clay. So you can make a lot of really fun shapes here. This is great for industrial design, things that may need to be more ergonomic or aesthetic. So that is xShape. The next two things I want to talk about are not necessarily apps, but just kind of functionalities in the platform that I really like. One of which is the ability to drag and drop files kind of between different apps. And this is all over the platform. But one example here is if I take this watering can that I've been working on, I can drag and drop it here into my SolidWorks window and bring it right into an assembly. So, my SolidWorks is connected to the 3D Experience platform. So we can see it was able to open that file nice and easily, especially with that drag and drop makes it pretty seamless. The drag and drop, we can see it in a bunch of other places. If I head over to my Files tab, I've got some files on display over here in my bookmark editor. And all I need to do to preview them is drag and drop them over into my 3D Play widget. So, like I said, you can kind of drag and drop across apps. I could also take this file and drag it down into SolidWorks just like I did before. And we'll see that file is loading. All right. And the last thing, this is kind of like a hidden gem that I really like inside of the 3D Swim application. So this is sort of our communication hub on the platform. We have this kind of social media style feed where we have likes and comments and different communities for different groups or projects. Over here in my Conversations tab, this is where I can have private messaging with one person or with kind of a small group. But here to the right, I have the ability to start an audio call, start a video call, or start screen sharing. So right in the 3D Experience platform, inside the browser, where I already have all of my design data and I have all of my engineering team available to me, I can just quickly use these functionalities right inside the browser. No need for kind of like that extra app on your desktop just to do a video call or screen share. Right? So those are three of my favorite things about the 3D Experience platform. There's a lot more to it, a lot more to offer, and I'm sure you'll gather some useful tips and tricks in the next videos with some of my other colleagues' favorite things.